Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you skin whitening tomato facial that gets you glowing and super spotless skin without any side effects with all natural ingredients. It's a skin bleaching at home and it whitening the skin tone naturally, and you will get fair and glowing skin, spotless skin. If you do have dark spots, black spots, hyperpigmentation or melasma or suntan, this will remove it for you and you will get whitening your skin tone up to 4 shades with very simple ingredients at home. You will be amazed with the result. From first use you will get clean and clear skin, and after using this remedy on a regular basis you will whitening your skin tone up to 4 shades naturally. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it, and you will get so many useful tips from me. So make sure to subscribe my channel. To prepare this remedy, the first thing we need is one tomato, medium-sized tomato that we washed and cleaned very well. And now we need to cut it in half like so. And to prepare the first remedy in a clean mixing bowl, we need to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, just the normal sugar, and we don't need to grind it fine to a powder, just we need it as it is like so. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder in this, it's different. You need to use baking soda and mix the ingredients very well together like so. After mixing the ingredients with the tomato, get the tomato half that we cut it like little bit, and now dip it into the remedy like so, like that, and on your skin apply it like so on your skin, and squeeze the tomato a little bit to get the tomato juice, and this will get you clean and clear skin. It gets you rid of dark spots, black spots, and hyperpigmentation, and it also gets you rid of dead skin cells, and it whitening the skin tone naturally. You will get clean and clear skin after this step. Keep applying like so. Apply it on face like that, my friends. If you do have super sensitive skin, then this remedy doesn't suit you. Now after applying like so, my friends, we need a tissue paper and wipe off all the excess. Like that, my friends. As you can tell, the skin is super glowing. Now in a clean mixing bowl we need to prepare the rest of the remedy. Now we need to make the facial. Get the other half tomato and squeeze it like so to get the fresh tomato juice. Once we get the fresh tomato juice, we need to add the rest of the ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of rice flour, and if you don't have rice flour, get the rice and grind it fine into a powder, and add 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Then add on it a pinch of turmeric powder and mix with the ingredients. After mixing well and combining the ingredients together, apply it on your skin after the facial. After scrubbing, apply it like so. This magical cream paste will whitening your skin tone up to one shade from first use. You will whitening your skin tone one shade. By using it on a regular basis, you whitening your skin tone up to 4 shades naturally, and it doesn't cause any side effect. It's all natural. Now leave it to dry out completely and then rinse it with room temperature water, and you'll be amazed with the result, whitening the skin tone from first use. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.